So we back with another video, and 6 P's Day. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And we're gonna get right into the video. Today we're gonna be fixing Will's Accord. As you understand, we're gonna be fixing Will's Accord. Not just playing, y'all, but we're gonna be taking the Raceland coilovers off, and he got some Maxspeedingrods coilovers. We're gonna put it on it because they come with a top mount. Yeah, you could have just got a top mount for him. It would have been cheaper, but why not just get your money back and then go on about your business and already have a coilover that's put together, preloaded already and everything. Why not? You feel me? Anyways, we waiting on Will to come out right now. Then we are going to be taking the wheels off, taking the old coilovers off. Well, not really old, but the older coilovers off, putting the new ones on. Yes, I work at Subway. I do mobile mechanics, guys. I do mobile mechanics. So I have 2 sources of income. I'm still in college. I drive a 6-speed Altima. Never heard of that before, have you? 2008 6-speed Altima. And I think something's wrong because this wheel is cambered in. What is going on? But anyways, y'all, we're gonna get right into the video. What did they do to it? Oh yeah, Maxspeedingrods for you, man.
Damn, look at the big ass hole. Oh my god.
It's like they just got an old box.
How you close it? A button?
Probably.
Appreciate it. What's my name? I'm gonna try the vertical shot. You know how like it's like what?
Yeah.
You gotta come up. You gotta zoom in. Yeah, you gotta come up.
That shit didn't work.
Yeah, Maxspeedingrods, y'all doing y'all thing, ain't you?
I heard good things about this. I'm not gonna lie about these.
Yeah.
Heard some good things.
It's gonna be real simple and easy. Are you taking the top mounts off the other ones? You doing that today too?
Nah.
Oh, you don't got the, what's the name, do you?
Nah, I ain't got it.
Okay.
I just
Yeah, I'm about to show them the problem here. As y'all see, this is what was happening.
See the Turbinator.
I seen that video. Man, sure, bro. Other side, I need a, what's the name on it?
Should I take the top one off first, or
Right.
you know you do go to gym every day?
And then it's always the private accounts too.
Exactly. Like, what you talking about? He's mad.
Can I put this in the car?
Yeah.
It came out.
Yeah, we had to take a.
I think you gotta get that.
Ham.
Damn, Ray, what you whipping up?
Hold on, let me think. Wait, hold on. Before you do that, So after I get those off, I'll come up here. You got 3 bolts. Well, 5. All on this top. 14s. Yeah, I would like that. See if this will go down. See if it would drop down. Watch your fingers though, because it's gonna fall fast.
That's the new one?
That's old one.
Oh.
It's falling. I'll step on it. But
How?
still, we're still kind of fucked.
Just slam it.
Slide is crazy.
And then we'll go up from there.
Hell no. Okay,
No, that's preload. Put that back.
That's preload?
Yeah. Leave that where they said. And then this is how you go up and down. So less thread is, yeah.
Oh shit.
Less is going down. Yeah, that's all it is to it.
So I'm supposed to put it up here though, right?
Wherever you like.
Oh, so this
okay, this is slamming it. This is on the floor.
Oh, okay.
This is height.
Oh, okay.
So go off of this collar. Wherever you want that collar. See, this one only had 2 collars. That was the problem.
Yeah, so I need to do that.
Will, I'm telling you, slam it.
I think this is good. Broken up. I don't think it came with a key. I got the old key. I don't think
It should have. It better come with some keys. They might be under there. Yeah.
Go ahead,
It's another paper down here. No, some stickers.
And you also got shit for dampening. I don't know what the dampening is how
How stiff and soft you want it. No Diddy.
No,
This is for the
Yep. I would do that on the car, to be honest. Tighten it on the car.
Alright.
And then we gotta take those bolts off the top.
Damn, EJ, what you looking up?
But I was like, damn. That's how even with the coils I had, I was like, bro, I don't think I'll ever buy rolling springs ever a day in my life.
Please don't.
Again.
There's no point.
Yeah. I don't think they ride, bro.
Okay, muscle cars I can see.
Yeah, muscle
lower.
cars only because you don't need it. Like most cars, you put low springs on muscle cars, they already be low enough.
Right.
But even my Mustang wasn't low enough. I thought it was, but it wasn't.
That's what I'm saying. Like only S550s, I think they look good on lower
Yeah.
springs.
And then all charger challenges, but low springs is perfect, bro.
That's all they need.
Even with the touch with low springs.
All right, y'all just gonna slide it back in the same way y'all took it out. You record right here.
Okay, that's what I thought. Oh, I see it.
Actually, you got to step on it. Good. Right. And you know what? Them top hats was probably destroyed from the minute we put the coils on. Because remember we tried to adjust the coils from the car and that shit was still. That shit's probably gone. From the beginning. So you can adjust how
How stiff?
it moves.
It moves?
Got a groove on it, yeah.
Oh yeah. Y'all see all the bolts in there?
What's that one? That's 15? 14?
Damn, EJ, what you looking up?
No. First side done already. Just gotta put the wheel back on and then lower this side, do the other side, and then I'll let y'all know how it's looking at the end. Get that little jack.
You got 3 minutes.
Let's see. It's not all the way off the jack. The front's higher.
Oh wait, you gotta watch it now.
Front higher.
Or maybe
It ain't gonna settle.
the other side. It's low. Hey, the other side is low.
I'm telling you, it's higher right now.
Damn, it gotta drop. It gotta drop down.
Yeah. This is what we got going on. We'll pull up. It's gonna take for a test drive.
I did.
So yeah, we're finna get a test drive and then see what y'all talking about.
This is new. This is my first time back here.
Damn, what you whipping up?
Yeah, I need me a sunroof, man.
Not really.
I had one of my homeboys put one in his car.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
How does it leak? How, bro? I
Yeah,
never
he took
understood
it to the
that, bro.
dealership
Oh, I
and had
was
them
like,
do it.
I never understood. Hold on, I never understood how people.
I just don't trust them.
Wait, I gotta record.
I never saw people got a song
You
installed.
done messed up my
bro.
damn seatbelt.
Oh, it ain't. They got
No.
it is.
It's from the top. You'll be alright. You don't need
It's
it.
okay. Damn, I missed all the quality content.
Mm-hmm.
There we go. I'm gonna just take it off.
I'm going down there. I'm going down the road.
Yeah, be doing all the bumping on.
We got a nice little road you can really like get that motherfucker with it.
Feel like OEM suspension to me.
I'm gonna say ride better than the resident, that's for sure.
Move back in day.
Sure.
I said move back in day.
I don't know. I guess they all for the storm.
Yeah, my car hates this right here.
Right here.
Yes. I don't know, this shit do feel like a go-kart though.
It do, bro. I'm telling you, like, grips, like, insane, bro. When I first drove, I was like, bro, this shit is insane. And then, you know, surprisingly, like, for it to be so lightweight and small, it handles so good on the highway, bro.
Really?
Yeah, bro. I was like, damn. Like, this shit real for the track. for. I'm like, you know, I don't think I'll buy new one. It's fine though. It's
I like
still
that shorty.